I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix input lag and reduce latency in Valorant. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, because I know your time is very valuable. So the first thing that you have to do is to disable full screen optimization in Valorant. So please copy and paste the following location. I'm going to leave this location in the description of this video. You can press on your keyboard Windows logo plus S, and here just paste this location, click on the first match, and now what you have to do is to scroll down and look for Valorant. Right click on Valorant and select properties, please. And here, please go to compatibility, and then here disable full screen optimization. Now click on apply and OK. The next step here, let's go to Windows Update, and it's not about updating your Windows. I want to show you here something very interesting that a lot of people are not aware of that. They don't know this. There's a way to update your drivers, and what you have to do is to click on advanced options, go to optional updates, driver updates, and here are some very important updates. Usually you can read, these are some updates related to your webcam. Maybe that's not what you need, but for your system, make sure you update your drivers to the latest driver. Okay, update your drivers. So please check, and now click on download and install. You can also update your Windows as well. This can have an impact on your computer. If you have not updated your Windows for a very long time, this can help you as well. Alright, and now also please go to graphics settings, please, and here please click on browse and just look for Valorant. And once you selected Valorant, so you can add Valorant in this list, here what you have to do is to go to Valorant and then click on options, and make sure you select high performance. This is going to improve fix the input lag, but at the same time optimize Valorant. Okay, and another tip, just make sure you disable in Valorant. Actually, I'm gonna show you 1 second. I'm going to pause the video. Here, please go to settings, graphics quality, and make sure you turn material low. You can also leave rendering on, and then material texture detail low, and this you can put on medium. Now you can turn this off as well, none, and copy the settings, please. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate it and will help a lot this small YouTube channel. I'll see you now in the next video, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and take care.